You can select between a single or double Raceway configuration. A triple Raceway is also available, but we suggest you consult us first to achieve the best design results. Getting started with the SmartWay Configurator is a breeze. On the Start screen, you can easily adjust your room size in feet using the width and height sliders. To start the configuration process, all it takes is a simple click on the Begin button. Your configuration process bar is located at the top of your workspace. On the bottom left, you'll find buttons to change your flooring type from carpet to wood. The icon at the top of your workspace will confirm the placement of your in-feed. Using your mouse, you can click and drag the wall feed to any location along the wall, or move it out to the center of the floor to configure using FSR's Power Pole or Poke-Through Floor Box in-feed. The sidebar can be closed anytime by clicking the X button. To re-enter the Parts menu, click the Configure Part button on the interface's top right. After confirming your position, you can now choose your in-feed option. You'll find part information to the right of each part when hovering over the eye icon. Once you confirm your in-feed position, you will have two new options: Raceway color and edging choices. The Free Roam button is located on the bottom left of your workspace. This button lets you move around the space freely using your mouse functions. Your mouse scroll wheel allows you to zoom in and out of the workspace. Your left mouse click lets you shift your viewpoint, and your right mouse click allows you to pan. Click the green arrow above the Raceway to exit the Free Roam feature. Once you select your in-feed option, use the button of the Slide Out menu to place a part. Next, you can start configuring Raceway lengths, left or right elbows, and the T-fitting. You can lay down Raceway lengths by clicking on the length you need and clicking the Place Part button. If you want to delete a part of the Raceway, use the Erase button at the bottom of the Parts menu. If you select the T-fitting, you can rotate the T with the Rotate button. Using the Path Jump button will switch which side of the Raceway you are configuring, and it is designated by a bouncing green arrow. To complete your Raceway, click the Finish Raceway Build button on the bottom right of the Parts menu. Next, you'll be able to select your device box option. You can choose between our US, International, and Surface Mount device boxes. If selecting our International device boxes, you can choose your country-specific socket and single or dual power openings. You can choose between our 2-gang, 3-gang, and 4-gang options for our standard device boxes. After selecting the device box capacity, you'll be shown choices for your power and data needs. Once you select your device box, there will be a plus button on the top right of your screen. This button allows you to increase the number of device boxes you would like to choose up to 5 at a time. You can now click anywhere on the Raceway to place your device box. Use the Delete button to remove the device box from that position. If you are happy with your configuration, you can move to the final step by clicking the Finish System Build button on the lower right of the screen. You will be presented with a part summary. At this point, you can take a screenshot, start over with the button on the lower left, or proceed to the Export the Part Summary to provide to our sales team. Before downloading the part summary, you can still add accessory items to your parts list. Click the PDF button at the bottom of the pop-up menu to download the part summary to your Downloads folder. You have now completed your Raceway configuration. If you need any further design assistance, email us at sales@fsrinc.com. Thanks for watching.